Welcome back to West Coast Finest. Today, we're focusing on how flaxseed oil in our G&G hair growth butter and oil stimulates hair growth and why it's such a key part of our formula. Flaxseed oil works wonders for promoting hair growth because it nourishes your scalp deeply. The omega-3s help to improve circulation, ensuring that your hair follicles get the nutrients they need to grow strong, healthy hair. This increased blood flow to the scalp can stimulate new hair growth, making it an excellent solution for anyone dealing with thinning or slow-growing hair. But that's not all. Flaxseed oil is also a great source of lignans, which are plant compounds that help reduce DHT, the hormone responsible for hair loss. By reducing DHT, flaxseed oil helps to keep your hair follicles active, encouraging them to produce new hair over time. By incorporating this ingredient into G&G hair growth butter and oil, we're giving your hair and scalp the perfect environment to thrive, helping you achieve fuller, thicker hair.
Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.